Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights, a landmark development just unfolded in the ASEAN MedTech corridor last week. The Health Sciences Authority of Singapore, or HSA, and the Malaysian Medical Device Authority, the MDA, have officially launched a joint 6-month pilot program. This program is for regulatory reliance covering Class B, C, and D medical devices. On the surface, this is a game changer. The goal is to allow a device approved in one country to gain faster, streamlined registration in the other. For manufacturers, this promises a significant reduction in time to market and regulatory costs, breaking down long-standing barriers to market access in two of ASEAN's most vital markets. However, the initial excitement should be met with cautious optimism and deep diligence. While the program aims to harmonize the review of technical documentation, it is not a simple one-and-done approval. Our sources indicate that nuances in local requirements remain critical hurdles. For example, while your core clinical data from a Singaporean submission may be accepted by Malaysia, the MDA might still enforce specific local requirements for labeling in Bahasa Melayu. They may also have different requirements for post-market surveillance contact points within the country. These are not minor administrative details. They are core compliance points that can derail an application. Let's consider a real-world scenario. A company with a Class C orthopedic implant, already approved by Singapore's HSA, saw this pilot as a golden opportunity for rapid Malaysian market entry. They prepared their submission based on their approved Singaporean dossier. However, their application was unexpectedly delayed. The reason was that their original risk management report, while compliant with HSA standards, did not adequately address specific post-market risks pertinent to Malaysia's diverse healthcare infrastructure, a point of emphasis for the MDA. This oversight, stemming from the assumption that one approval fits all, resulted in a 3-month delay to amend the file. This case illustrates that reliance does not mean equivalence. Companies must still perform a thorough gap analysis of local requirements. The Singapore-Malaysia pilot is undeniably a positive step toward regional harmonization. It signals a future where ASEAN could function as a more unified regulatory bloc. But for now, navigating this new pathway requires more than just a pre-existing approval. It demands granular, on-the-ground expertise to manage the subtle but significant differences that persist between the two jurisdictions. For strategic advice on how to leverage these new regulations and avoid potential pitfalls, please feel free to email us or visit our website. You can find us at Pure Global.